Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Mitsubishi Outlander gas tank. First, locate the fuel door release lever inside the cabin. This lever is usually positioned on the driver's side floor, near the door sill or under the dashboard. Simply pull the lever upwards or towards you with a firm motion. You should hear a slight click as the fuel door unlatches, allowing you to access the fuel cap. This is the primary method for opening the gas tank. If the in-cabin lever doesn't work, don't worry. There's an emergency release. Head to the rear of your Outlander and open the trunk or cargo area. On the side where the fuel door is located, you'll find a small access panel or a fabric pull tab. Gently pull this tab or cord, and the fuel door will pop open. This manual override is a helpful backup if the primary mechanism encounters an issue. Once the fuel door is open, you'll see the fuel cap. To remove it, simply turn the cap counterclockwise until it loosens completely. Some models feature a tether to prevent losing the cap. When you're finished refueling, replace the cap by turning it clockwise. You should hear at least 3 distinct clicks, indicating it's securely tightened. This prevents fuel vapors from escaping and ensures proper vehicle operation. If you're still having trouble, check for any ice, dirt, or debris around the fuel door that might be preventing it from opening. Also, ensure your vehicle's engine is completely off before attempting to open the fuel door. Sometimes, a simple jiggle of the door or a gentle push can help. For model-specific instructions or persistent issues, always refer to your Mitsubishi Outlander's owner's manual for the most accurate guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.